What's good, YouTube? I'm coming at y'all with my first ever video, man. Just a simple, clean, high taper tutorial. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And yeah, let's just get straight to it. I got my boy Dan in the chair. As y'all can see, he out here looking rough, man. But if y'all stay to the end, y'all gonna see we brought him back to life. So first things first, you just want to start off with your lever close. Make sure you set that first guideline. I usually don't set it with a trimmer. Sometimes I do, but most of the times I'm setting it with my clipper closed. Make sure y'all blend them sideburns too when y'all leaving the sideburns. And then I just go with lever open. Now, y'all know I did set it with a clipper closed, so from here, all I gotta do is use the other little notches that I haven't used. Sometimes I'll just go halfway and it'll just blend in straight, but most of the time I am using all my notches. Now, y'all gonna see my boy Mon throughout this video a lot, man. I forgot what we was talking about, but it had to have been something good. But after that, I'm gonna go in with my one guard closed, and then I'm gonna go with it with the grain, smoothing everything out. Sometimes I will blend this last. It's really up to you. So right here, I did go with my zero guard all the way closed. Then I go halfway to get the other little hairs. I usually don't just go closed though. I usually go closed halfway or go halfway closed. But then I eventually go with the grain. But right here, I go in with my 1.5. This is my last guard that I'll be using. 1.5 closed. I might open it slightly, probably not. Just depends on the hair texture, but 1.5 closed all the way. So after going with the one guard closed with the grain, now I'm going one halfway against the grain to blend in that 1.5. And right here I do my little rake method. Then I go with it closed with the grain again. And yeah, them pretty simple steps, y'all. Like, this shit real easy. It's honestly just about how you flick your wrist, if you put in the right amount of pressure, if you flicking too hard. That's really all it is when it comes to the blend. So for the lineup, I did go with a one guard closed. Sometimes I go halfway, it all depends, but right here I did hit him with some got to be just to lock those hairs in. Now you just want to repeat the same steps on this side. Now, as y'all know, the back is the easiest part to blend, but you want to just use the same steps, just a little bigger guidelines. That's all it is, really. I use the same steps for literally everybody. If you made it this far in the video, man, I really appreciate it if y'all can drop a like, a comment, anything. Make sure y'all subscribe too. Always make sure you comb those hairs after lining them up, just to get those little hairs and make the lineup last a little bit longer. Now, if y'all want a full lineup tutorial, make sure y'all drop a like. I'm not gonna be really getting too in depth with this lineup right here. I'm gonna just let y'all watch. And yeah, man, y'all see the lineup, man, before the enhancements. So here I come with my air compressor now. Right here, you just want to make sure you're very precise for where you're spraying it at, making sure you ain't spraying too much or too little either. Come in with a little bit of fibers just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I hit it with a lineup. Then I'm gonna hit it with some Got2b just to lock everything in. yeah, man, y'all see the blend, man. It's there, line up there, everything. Then I come behind it with a razor, just a little razor work, nothing crazy. Come out and clean the skin up. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. After that, just make sure you style your client. You don't want to leave your client hair looking crazy, with a nice fade on the side. So I always make sure I put a little mousse and sponge his hair up. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Y'all see it, man. I ain't gotta do too much talking. If y'all found this video useful, man, please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, until next time.